If you're over 70 and want to live longer, stay strong, mobile, and sharp, there's one simple food you can start eating daily. It's not exotic, it's not expensive, and chances are it's already in your fridge. It's spinach. And what it does for your body is truly amazing. Let's break it down. Why spinach? Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, especially important as we age. It's loaded with vitamin K1, essential for bone health, and helps reduce fracture risk. Lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage. Folate, which supports brain function and may reduce cognitive decline. And something often overlooked, natural plant-based nitrates. These nitrates help open blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve muscle performance, especially useful in keeping older adults active and mobile. What does science say? A study from the University of Exeter in the UK found that regular consumption of nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach improved muscle function in people over 65. Another study published in Neurology showed that those who ate leafy greens daily had slower cognitive decline, almost 11 years younger in brain age compared to non-greens eaters. So not only are you supporting your heart and muscles, but your brain stays sharper too. How to add it daily? You don't need to eat it by the bowlful. Here's how you can easily fit spinach into your daily routine. Add a handful to your morning omelet. Blend it into a smoothie with banana and berries. Toss it into soups, stews, or stir-fries. Or have it raw in a simple salad with olive oil and lemon. Aim for at least 1 cup a day, cooked or raw, and over time, your body will thank you. So, if you're looking for one simple habit to help you stay stronger, sharper, and healthier after 70, start with spinach. It's nature's multivitamin, and it's one of the easiest changes you can make today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more weekly health tips.